Hello everyone, this is a post-Thanksgiving recipe. I am going to stuff some pork chops and I'm going to cut off this fatty edge. So that's where I'm going to make my pocket on this one, and it will make it too hard, as you can see, to get in there. That one off. I'm sorry, I probably should have done that first. The edge is always gristly and curls up. You're not stuffing them, you can just like cut slits in there, the edges of your pork chops, and it'll keep them from curling up. And I'm sorry if the washing machine is coming through. Okay. I have an oven-proof skillet on the stove. It already got too hot. Okay. So what we're gonna do, can you see, is put your hand flat on the pork chop. Get my stuffing out of the way. And stick your knife in, just carefully in the center. Make you a pocket. You want your knife to be sharp. And once you have your pocket, and stick your finger in there. Don't worry if you do that, I always do that usually. And just start putting your, I would recommend getting the stuffing to room temperature. It's just easier to work with than straight out of the refrigerator. I guess it depends on your stuffing too. If it's a wet stuffing, a dry stuffing, a firm stuffing. Everybody's stuffing is different. And I like to really fill mine, because it's like my favorite part of the pork chop. And that's all you do, you just stick it in there. Mine's still a little cold. Once you get it in there, you can season your pork chops any way you like. I'm going to use salt and pepper. Season the other side when they're in the pan. So now I'm going to put it in the skillet rather. Season side down. Do the next one. And just stick your finger in the pocket and see if that's how big you want it. I mean, you can stuff these as full as you like. And open your pocket up. It's really easy. Make sure you use a sharp knife. More people get cut from dull knives than sharp knives. Unless you're like me and you stick your hand in the sink with a brand new knife. Yeah, I did that. I'm going to need more stuffing. I put the stuffing in a separate bowl so I wouldn't cross-contaminate the rest of my dressing. I have another recipe to show you with that. And the same thing, salt and pepper. I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. I put a little bit of oil in the pan so they won't stick. I'm going to brown one side, turn them over, and then put them in the oven. And that's it. So I guess I'll go ahead and do these, and then I will show you them when they are getting ready to go in the oven. Okay, so here we are ready to turn them, and I hope you can hear over this oven. I have the loudest oven in the planet. And then from here, I'm going to put them in the oven and they'll get even browner. So there you go, easy peasy. Make a hole, stuff it, season it, brown it, throw it in the oven. About 25 minutes. And they'll be done. So I'll see you in a few. Okay guys, they're out of the oven. Nice and juicy. So there we have our stuffed pork chops. And I made some broccoli and cheese and corn. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, maybe think about doing so. And a thumbs up always helps. And say something down below if you want to. Just say hi. Let me know you're there. So this is it. Easy peasy leftover meal with your stuffing. So I will see you guys next time. Hope you have a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is where you're at.